This could be an absolute dream scenario of a house hack. So if you're watching this video and you are a local and you're looking for a house that you can move into and live in one unit and then have 3 other units paying your mortgage, that's what you've got here. This is another long-term rental property that we've had almost the entire time that we've been here. So it's one of the very first properties that we bought. In fact, we bought it in a small package of properties when we first came to the island, maybe 6 months in. This was a 4-family house. So back in the day when we came to the island, we were buying single-family houses to fix up and sell to FHA buyers, and we were buying multifamilies, so 3-family house or more. We were buying those to keep, and it is a dream. So this is a really nice neighborhood. I think actually far nicer, this neighborhood in Trujillo Alto, than many of our properties that we kept for the long-term rentals. These properties, these houses in this neighborhood, is probably they're $350,000, $400,000 houses. And this one's no different, right? So this is a multifamily house. It's got 4 units. 2 of them are 3-bedroom and 1 bath, and 2 of them upstairs are 2-bedroom and 1 bath. But what I wanted to say about this is that this could be an absolute dream scenario of a house hack. So if you're watching this video and you are a local and you're looking for a house that you can move into and live in 1 unit and then have 3 other units paying your mortgage, that's what you've got here. But let's go through the math real quick. So this is what we've got. Unit number 1, downstairs on the left, that's the big 3-bedroom unit. It's got a little bit of a backyard going out the back door, and it brings in $900 a month. Then you have unit number 2 is just next to that on the ground floor. It also goes out into the backyard, a little less of a backyard, and it's a little bit smaller of a unit. And we're getting $650 a month on that one. Unit 3 and unit 4 are both 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. One of the tenants in unit 3 has been there again for a long time, and they're paying $640 a month. The unit 4 tenant, new tenant, they're paying $745 a month. We're just renting to local families who don't qualify for Section 8, but they need this kind of product. So all of that adds up to $2,945 a month. And you multiply that by 12, we're bringing in $35,340 a year on this beautiful 4-family home in Trujillo Alto. So how would a house hack work? Let's talk about that since we're doing that. This idea of a house hack is so simple, guys, and it's such a great way to, 1, find a great place to live, 2, become a real estate investor, and 3, will appreciate. Maybe it has equity when you buy it, but it gets paid for by other people. It just doesn't get any better than this, guys. This house hack idea, I wish that I had known this when I was younger. I'd never heard of it up until a few years ago. So let's say you move into the big unit downstairs and you're in the 3-bedroom, 1 bath with your family. So you take the $900 off, right? You wouldn't have that revenue anymore, but you'd still have $650 and $745 a month. You'd still have $2,045 a month coming in, but you're living for free. You're living in a great neighborhood, you're living for free, and somebody else is paying for your house. It's amazing, guys. I would be thinking about this if I was a young person starting a family and wanted to be a real estate investor. I can't think of a better way to get started in this. We're all about real estate investing on this channel. We like to encourage people to become real estate investors and see people doing deals. We invite people to partner with us on just about every video that we ever do. And so if you're interested in investing with us in properties like this, where you could get some passive income, renting to people that need housing, does it get any better than that, guys? Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. What do you think about the house hack idea?